Good day. Welcome to King Everything. Now that we're all working from home, or at least a lot of us get to work from home, I have an office that I do work from. I kind of keep the two worlds separated. So I got like work and then fun, and I keep the work in this one room just because sometimes you need to work. Somebody calls you at 2 in the morning, you got to log in, do some work, and this is where I do it from. But kind of show you the setup. Of course, we have a fireplace in the room next door. Got to bring in some more firewood. But here's where all the magic happens. This is the chair, so it's a nice, big, comfy chair. So you can be sitting in it all day long. And if we kind of come in here, you can see we got the map of the United States. Makes it look like we're logistically inclined. Got a couple of shredders. Got to have two paper shredders. I don't know why I got two of them, but got a backup. And then we have a nice laser jet. I love the laser jet printers. This is 1018. It doesn't duplex. It's just a single-sided laser jet printer, but fantastic printer. Very inexpensive. I think it's still on the original toner cartridge. And then I'll kind of show you some of the setup. This is going to be the new computer. I just have not had a chance to hook it up. It's got like 4 video cards in it, tons of memory, all kinds of good stuff. Windows 10. And over here, we got a little APC UPS for battery backup. That's not on right now. And then we got a nice little drawer where I think there's like maybe 16 terabytes of storage in there. And here's the main computer, which is going to be going away. I've had this probably a long time, and it works great. It's getting some lines in the screen, kind of hard to see, but it's getting all kinds of lines. You can't really see it on because it's got a pretty picture on the background. But if you had a plain screen, you'll see it's all getting lines and stuff. So that display's going to be failing soon. And then we have the nice keyboard. Got this off Amazon. This was maybe like under $20. See, it's an RGB, can do all kind of fades and colors and breathing and stuff like that. Really just absolutely fantastic, the keyboard, because I like it because it's nice, it's clicky, nice and soft, easy to click on, and you can sit in the dark if you want to, and you can see the keys, so that's pretty cool. And then we do have the main monitor. Oh, things are launching. Close. That's a Dell 24-inch monitor. I got some bigger monitors, but I like this monitor. It's a nice size. You put the bigger one on there, it's kind of big. I think that's just about the right size. And so that's the main computer setup. I said maybe Monday I'm going to bring this guy online. See, I put a little older Wi-Fi dongle in there so I can get some internets on it. And we do everything like VPN and all very corporate and businessy. And of course we got a spare 4 terabyte drive for this fellow. And of course over here, this is more for fun. I just haven't put it in a good spot. I make it 1200. I got to put the top back. I took it apart because I want to see if any batteries were leaking or capacitors were leaking on it. And there's a 1084S monitor. And of course over here, file cabinet. And we do have a couple spare monitors. We got, I think this is a 19-inch monitor here and an extra 24-inch monitor just in case one dies. And we got of course, we have all our crystal balls up here for some reason. But that's basically where we're going to be working for the next few weeks or months or whatever seems to happen. So I said you like to keep the world separate just because you don't want to be bringing work home. And if you got to be at home doing work, keep a separate room. So that's what I did. And I've used this quite a lot. And it's probably a good spot to do taxes too because it's kind of nice and quiet. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. And want you guys, hold on, whoa, you have a great day.